Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow WhatsApp notification appear on your Apple Watch 7. So here you see I've got a notifications and it will send to my Apple Watch. So if you do not receive a notification from WhatsApp, this is what you have to do. Okay, so on your Android mobile device, you want to tap on settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on WhatsApp. In here, you want to tap on notifications and make sure you tap on allowed notifications. Then go down and tap on the sound that you want to use. Make sure the sound is turned on as well, so you get an alert. And then you can tap on WhatsApp notification settings. So tap on that. And in here, you've got message notifications. You want to make sure that is turned on. So tap on show notifications for message notifications. If you turn it off, it will not work. So you need to turn it on. And then you can go down here and check all the other settings. Make sure they are turned on and not off. Okay, so make sure it is turned on. And you also want to check in your notifications at the top. And make sure that WhatsApp is turned on. So in here, make sure it is all turned on. Allow notifications at the top. And yeah, if you tap on that WhatsApp notification settings, you want to double check to make sure all the notifications are turned on. Okay, so once it is turned on, we can test it out. So I'm just going to send a test message. As soon as my phone receives a text, you can see on my watch is also get notified. And if you need to reply, you can just tap on it and then you can tap on replied. You can use some of the suggestions message, reply message in here, and you can just simply tap on that and it will automatically reply for you. Otherwise, you can use the keyboard to reply. So you can tap on replied, then tap on the text box. Once you tap on the text box, you can reply using the keyboard right here. And then tap on the send button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.